Wakashi woni woteshile bi na wonu woto insane papa sane ni wa anuji Akufo-Addo start yukoni wakayo nyese be koni e apa he mama muko eteshi keji manke o keji nyon ale time niji muko ke noko ya twe na ni na video no ne pembi yake keji afo start yuke machine noko happen to start you and like I knew ba happen to bogbomo physical.
Residents of Sekondi Takoradi woke up on Monday morning to the news that the statue of our president Addo Akufo-Addo has been vandalized.
Tumo mumomini sani ona spiritually eke o statue machine men na kebo o statue has a connection with you. E wo mita mo bi ake na ne na atwa ani lan physically e wolomi e na ne ba we elo. Ofane ene sani bi mo ni bi o mo no le eke mo mi comment section e da ke ni na pe bona
Ghana kan na me hwa na me so oh adi we bu na ebe won si abotala kakra
ke wo fe o kayo infe video ni ipa leke a statue na mama infe video npa o description box e mo no ta wa ko no na full story o ba nyo click no akwe npa o corner ji na ko watch mo wa na ko wa na top e ko no click o ba na full story e o videos can be ba ni chwake lele sane ni yo anokwale ba before ba akwa video na amaka ni no ko Ghana bi ele ka amaka hwe ke Ghana bi mi fumbu komo no fian no ba fi efi amefo ni Ghana bi e power na me yoje amegonti Tom and Tom actually gonti. This is called gonti. If you don't know the name of this in Ghana, we call it gonti. It is gonti. Now when we'll be doing the video, we'll be teaching some of the Ghana language to make other people also who want to learn the Ghana language to understand and learn along. So don't forget to subscribe, be here and learn the Ghana language. Ke oya blochi yo man say no ta o kase Ghana. Subscribe mo no ke mo fem mo no le ni yo man say ni Ghana ni ta o kase Ghana ni efita wo wekune. Allo subscribe or Facebook or Instagram or TikTok or AFI bon mishi.
Residents of Sekondi Takoradi woke up on Monday morning to the news that the statue of our president Addo Akufo-Addo has been vandalized. You will recall that this statue is being followed with keen interest across the country since it was unveiled here by the president himself, with many residents within the metropolis asking why this had to be put up, especially as, according to them, the NPP government hasn't done much to warrant such recognition.
Ghana be a me power ji gont neji the time e wo ke ofe amenoko ambata shidin ka shi be ba she ni amba chombo ake power e ye gonti.
But some youth of Sekondi were agitating that the statue should be removed immediately.
Back to insane. Often we like ni say no ate pose ni aya phone shiki ni ke otaole wo fe videos baba o ye o shiki phone nehi ye wo YouTube wanyo akwe videos baba o bana ni bi ni te no, especially a choco mami honorable ko Vandalized e winning as the MP elect ye Ablik Masal a victory match like ni bi videos pi ye ko te jo ba na fe ye wo YouTube. Ewo mmeponke here na I vote ebalake NDC bi eba yenkuni ni MPBB amek pe poto chale pe mo na amek pe yen se yen hian sisue mo lenche malebo ona. Let's put all jokes aside, you know, te komena me your power ona, you know, womo ke agbagbo iwemo ke ni bi pi ona edogana bi amebogana bi tuwe ni bi komena me sumo me ni ke bo wo jeme e wo ko fe no ko na me ka me sumo. You need to respect the wish of the people, because am ke bo wo jan ke bo ya tade no here wo yin no fe ni bi ni ba here o ke o ke no ko ba ni hin wo popo wo gbe am no ke bo ke ni ne no ke ba wo sumo asano bo matwe shi bole nka akọ video ko cry te he ko ni ya wi ke gonti amame here shike noni amesumo moni amba vota me ke ta me ke ndisi crapo e ko amaye ko lele bia ne wona la kaini ko kwemi sanini nta o mabiboji Akufo-Addo government te bo na lete hamale comment section ni vote ni te no mini ona te ona lete hamale ojo mo chomo your comment section na agbene bia the president elect ne John Dramani Mahama leon bia ne ba as a citizen mini kwa agbe ake iba fake ha mane amale comment section wo ba agbasa ne eje after video ne what rounds your choco wo bi me kumake nig Mahama ye mini amekpa agbe ake Mahama ba fe ni iba nwa amena wakela kan video ba keje video nese e wo fa ni nke wa ke subscribe no follow on bomode ake wo ba fe video si e gami ni me abotue me akwe ni ko me wa kase ga wie mo e hia wa e jake ke ole eno oje alo onye owie o ma wie mo eji na agba ni hia hwehwe mo pi won no wa anya ofi no ke wa ga community ni ji gadangbe alo ga community wo fa na nye hia wo se agbene no ni ta o ma ke nyeji Akufo-Addo statue na a kuena nene eji na agba ni to me I want to condemn that. It's not a good act, you know. The fact that people are upset with him or putting a statue there, we need to use the right channels to do things. But it's unlawful. Ene ke mla mobwe aba femini akebobayi shiminu kome wole ke ba o me say police fear ba fe amba taumi na me kwa kamba na me shi ole was solid because nibi kome ninu your koyo miji ke akemama tasen on the 7th January ka kwe na yekule memi fun ba te shiwani aba femini kula ba ji start your cry ne shimo eje no ko ni mi fo se ake eje no ko pa eje no ko apani wo o fane benito monke ni ken no ko ma ba bia ma ba kenye nkeje ba gba isane wo ba wi bia na wo ke ni bi pimba ke bo no ko no taw no na eleken channel na no fine amale comment section enye comment e yami wa because neji no ni nkeje ba na shram man na nyi dwemu ke ni bi no wo fio ke di nyesumo alo ni bi ko menye sumo wo ke fitahi e wo mi kwa nye fine nye ka ni nye kwa ni subscribe ni nye comment nye share all the platforms ni nye yo no nya mele yake. There's a channel called Choco YouTube that is helping promote the Ga language, the culture, the food and its people. Okay, I'll plead with you to be part of this family. We'll find it. And if you are new here and you also want to learn the Ga language, you are warmly welcome to join the family. The machine be kunkule mabanye be ko ngba ejini ayi aka ganyombe ola bawo what's a bene oba be ko.
Vendors close by tell us that they came this morning to meet the vandalized nature of the statue. This is quite close to the Fiekwanta Regional Hospital with no residential facilities nearby, so it is difficult to get anybody to tell us exactly when this happened.